In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print tasks in Asana. If you need a clean hard copy for a meeting, a PDF to share, or simply a snapshot of your current project status, this quick walkthrough will get you from your Asana project to a polished printout with minimal fuss. Start by opening Asana on your desktop browser and head to the sidebar. From there, click into the project you want to print. It's important to open the exact project view you want because Asana sends what you see to your browser's print dialog. If you're working in list view or board view, choose the one that best represents your tasks on paper. Consider sorting or filtering how you'd like the tasks to appear, such as showing only incomplete items, so the printout reflects your priorities. Once your project is open at the top of the screen, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the project name in the header. Click that arrow to open the project's menu. This is where you'll find options related to sharing, exporting, and printing. If you don't see it right away, make sure your browser window is wide enough so the header controls are visible. In the menu, hover over the Export Print option, then select Print. You might notice other export choices like CSV, but for a ready-to-go page or PDF, Print is the fastest route. As soon as you click Print, Asana prepares a preview based on the current project view. A print preview window will appear in your browser. Take a moment to review spacing, column widths, and how many tasks fit on each page. If the layout looks cramped, switch your browser's print settings to landscape mode for a wider layout. You can also adjust scale and margins to improve readability. If something you expected is missing, like a collapsed section, go back to your project, expand what you need, confirm your filters and view, and open the print option again. That way, the preview mirrors exactly what you want to capture. When the preview looks right, choose your printer or select Save as PDF if you want a digital copy. Double-check page range, color or black and white, and orientation. Then confirm by clicking Print. Your tasks will be printed just as displayed. That's it. Open the project from the sidebar, use the header drop-down, choose Export, Print, review the preview, switch to Landscape if needed, and print. Thanks for watching, and happy printing in Asana.